Hey y'all, it's Justin. So I wanted to share with y'all one of my recent thrift store finds. It is this 1998 release version of the 1957 Chevy Bel Air for Barbie. And it's really cool. Now, one of the reasons that I left it was because of the condition that I found it in. So if you look at the car up close, you'll see that it's missing the front seat as well as the windshield, and the price was $9. Now this is what a mint condition model looks like, and as you can see, it's very pretty. So I kind of went back and forth about should I take it or not, and I left it at the store, and after about 2 or 3 weeks when I went back, it was still there. So I was like, well, let me go. And even though, as you see, I'm pointing to the W on the car, the color ticket for the discount didn't show up when I went back. So I said, I'll just go ahead and spend the $9. So what I did do, I did go ahead and try to look for replacement parts. Couldn't find anything. And then lo and behold, I go to the thrift store and I happen to find something that may match. Now, you know the modern cars, they don't have the same seat model. And there's no way that I could just kind of piecemeal it this way. But when I went to the thrift store today, I found this particular piece for $2. And it fits perfectly. It's this little pink bucket seat. And I was like, this is the perfect thing. So I put it in and wow, it is actually a very good match. And what I could do to make it look even better is perhaps spray painted white. But I even like the hot pink because it actually retrains the eye with the missing windshield, because the missing windshield had that pink trim. So even if I leave it pink, I think it would still work. So what do you guys think? Did I do a good job of making this decision? Let me know.